So here is something that you folks would not have seen before. This is our little, you know, fly screen. Forgot what the word was for a second there for some reason, but yeah, this is our fly screen. So far on the trip, it's been just wrapped up under here. We've got these little Velcro strips that sort of hold it up there in a roll. But where we are last night, we thought it might be a little bit buggy, and we wanted to have the back doors open for a little while to get some air through. So this is sort of how it looks. It did come, I think it was full length, like a full household door kind of length, but I cut it to fit this height here so that we could still get our fridge and our drawer open. And then on the bottom I've just sewn some Velcro, which sort of sits on some Velcro that I've got stapled there in the car. And the same on here, there you go, just to keep that roughly in place. The only thing that didn't work as well as I'd hoped is there's inside this little strip here, there's a magnet, the same over here, and they're meant to sort of attract, obviously. So up here you can see it's worked well. There's a magnet there, and you can just bust it open like that, and it joins back together like that. But for some reason these ones have just lost their power. I don't know, I'm no magnet scientist, but it's just not happening. They just won't touch. So I don't know if maybe they've spun around in there and that could cause it, but either way it's not working. This one works well. So what I've been doing is just putting some pegs on. Just kind of holding it together that way, which will do for now. So with our gas bottle here, I used to just have this little push-in green dust cap thing. But we did a swap and go for the gas bottle at Bunnings the other day, and it actually came with this one, which you can see has got some thread, and it actually, wrong way. It actually kind of winds in there. So yeah, I don't know, that's a nice new little dust cap. Hopefully it keeps a bit more crap out of this valve. Actually have a little park bench over here, so let's go use that. Change of plans actually. On closer inspection, table is a little bit mold city. We are kind of in, I don't know, some sort of rainforest zone here, so back to the usual bench. This for a high milk pour. Feeling brave this morning. Yes. Bit of stir action. And... Huh?
Switcheroo.
Yeah. Switcheroo. Morning spin, Gaz?
Sure.
Ready? Which way are we going? Faster.
Your face.
Your face. Nice work, Spinsy. Oi! What's wrong, guys? Smoothie time. Out with the kitchen pantry. Here is Brenda. Good morning, Brenda the blender. Ow! Ouch.
She's not happy today.
Yep, that was a bit rude. Got me with the old Stabsy 9000. Alright, so you've all met Jose, our hose, our blue water hose that we use to fill up our water tanks, but now you can meet Jose Jr. Jose Jr., named for obvious reasons. The cool thing about this hose is it's like an extension from our outlet, so now we don't have to duck under the car to get a bit of water. You can just turn it off like that. Open the breather, it'll flow quicker. There we go. What do you reckon, Gaz? Would you hire me for your band?
No.
Probably not.
hitting me.
Sorry, Gaz. Has Jose Jr. been in a video before, Trish?
Can't remember.
I don't think so. Oop, wrong lid. This is the first time we've ever used this, so don't really have it sorted out, in case you can't tell. I think we're just about got there. Push me in, Gaz. I've run out of arms and legs.
Oh, happily push you.
These little Velcro bits in here that hold everything up work good.
I'm being very helpful like usual.
Alright, Bad Gaz wants to get the bed done as quickly as we can. How quick do you think we can do it today, Gaz?
50 seconds.
50 seconds, alright. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Done.
43.
43. Not bad. Ahoy folks, and welcome to another installment of the Adventures of Jake and Trishi, where we use this channel to document our road trip around Australia. This morning we're starting off at a campsite which I think is called Henrietta Creek Campground. It took us about an hour to get here from Mission Beach last night, and I think it cost us $15 for us both to stay. I'll give you a look around. First mission of the day, we are going to the bush pools. Here we are. Wow. Check this joint out. Far North Queensland, hey? Back to the car. Bad Gaz leading the charge. Oh, the march, look at the march. Oh, Bad Gaz has gone mad. Look at the speed. Look at the speed. Next stop, Nandroya Falls. So that one was Silver Falls that we just went past, and that is just a little waterfall on the track to the bigger waterfall that we're going to see. And how long is this track, guys? 2.2k?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 2.2k from the car park to the main waterfall. There it is. Do you reckon there's a fish in here, bad guys?
No.
No? Should we find out?
Sure.
Maybe the coolest place I have ever been. Trying to catch up to Bad Gaz. She's on a mission to get back to the car. Bad Gaz! Yeah, we heard her. She's not too far. We're catching up. So Bad Gaz is feeling ambitious. It's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Well, 2 p.m. obviously in the afternoon. Hey, we've been to that one waterfall and we passed a small one on the way. Gaz wants to jump back in the car and go see another 2 at different spots. Another 3. So yeah, I reckon we might be pushing it for daylight, and this is not the sort of place I think you want to be hanging out after dark. I don't know what sort of creepy crawlies are around here, but I would imagine not good ones. So we'll see how we go. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stay at the car where you can eat rice cakes. We've made it back to the road, and despite the track being a little bit hairy at times, we've got through in the pluggers again. Zooper duper time. Conundrum encountered, Gaz.
No service.
No reception. So we're back in the car, we're ready to go to the next waterfall, but we don't have a paper map and we don't have any service, so we don't know where it is.
We're just gonna wing it.
So we're going to drive for a little while in a direction that I think it might be, and then hopefully we get a bit of signal, and then we can look it up on Google Maps. We've made it to the car park of the next waterfall. There is the troopy over there. Here is the waterfall sign. Bit stick it up. Zillie Falls. And here is the track. Bad Gaz and the waterfall. This little viewing platform is only about 100 or 200 meters from the car park, so not too far of a walk for us. It looks like there is another walk which probably goes down the bottom. It looks like it heads that way, but there's no signs or anything, so we don't know how long it is. So yeah, we're going to get back in the car and see if we can get to the next one. Dope. We've made it to Millaa Falls, the next waterfall.
Yeah. Ooh.
How's this? This one we can even see from the car, Gaz.
Pretty cool. I like this one.
done Millaa Falls, and now we're off to the last one for the day. We are in the car park of the final waterfall now, which I think is called Ellinjaa Falls. So let's go for a look. There we go, we made it. 5 waterfalls in 5 hours. I think we started our walk at about 12 and it's 4:55 now, so.
We've done well.
We have done well. I thought it was looking unlikely on the first walk of the day, but yeah, they're all pretty close to each other and the others weren't too big of a walk, so we've managed to get it done. It is getting dark now, getting a little bit late, so we'll get back to the car, make some tracks and probably leave today's video there. So the first one we went to was Silver Falls, which was on the way to Nandroya Falls. Is that right?
Yeah.
And then where did we go from there? The next one we went to was
Zillie Falls.
Zillie Falls, Millaa Falls, Ellinjaa Falls.
And that's it.
And that's it. Old mate Bird here is like walking us out of this park. Just following us all the way back. Oh, he's chasing you! He's chasing you!
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where is it?
This thing's the boss. Oh, alright, we just got chased back into the car by some kind of rooster looking chicken thing.
Oh, I'm still scared.
Look at him. Old mate out there, he's not happy. Oh, Jesus, he's coming in. We'll probably leave it there for today, I think.
That's it for today. See ya. So this is annoying. We're at this little bridge thing, tunnel. I don't think we're gonna make it though. Not gonna make it. So that's not good.
Where are we going to go now, guys?
Oh no, it looks like a good one too.
Take all the stuff off the roof.
Yeah.